Unboxing Burberry sneakers. So I had this as a packaged as a gift. As you can see, everything. Authenticity for the box is that it is embossed. As you can see, it comes up some and is actually engraved. They come with a package of a gift. Not only that, they give you envelopes for gift envelopes as well as a gift receipt, which I will not show. Oh, let me show this. That's how you know it's an authentic. So I'm going to let my husband unbox it, being that it is his gift. Definitely packaged well. And you can see the authenticity on the side of the shoes. As you can see, Burberry always makes sure that they give you the Burberry dust bag and of course the authenticity card. And as you can see, for these Burberry sneakers, they come with the Burberry stitch. Oh, definitely better lighting. Look at the inside of the Burberrys as well as the back. As you can see, the detail for Burberry is that every stitching matches on point. You will not see not one stitching off, even down to the laces. Everything is done with perfection and detailed. So that is the package for me unboxing Burberry sneakers, and I hope next time you guys enjoy. Thank you.